In this video, you will see us dancing a bounce fallaway with an inverted swivel into a Developé kick. Usually when we refer to the bounce fallaway, it will commence in closed position and move through into fallaway position and then back into closed position temporarily before we would move into outside partner. However, in this particular bounce fallaway, we will actually remain in fallaway position. And the inverted swivel will take us back to closed position. Dancing quick, 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 slow, 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 slow. That's our timing. We now move into our slow motion part of the video, where hopefully you can see the changes of position more clearly, and also the cleanliness of the line and frame and shape.